Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your NOKIA 7.2, for the first you have to go for the settings, then click on the connected devices and move to the connection preferences. Right now we have to enter the printing, click on the default print service, and as you can see, currently I got the one available printer, and this is the HP Color LaserJet Pro. So if you want to print something, you have to go for that thing. So I will just show you the example on this picture. So click right here, click on the print, then you have to select the printer and go for the printer that you connect, and of course it connects automatically. If you have any problem and here you cannot find any printer, you have to go for the add service and get the plugin for your printer. In my case I will get the HP, click on install, and right now just wait a little bit. Let's go back to the settings, and here is the HP Color LaserJet, the same printer but with the plugin. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.